Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Socially Fast Tech. In today's video, I will teach you how to get the source code of any website at all. Every website has a unique source code. So without wasting much of time, let's head straight to the video. To get the source code of any website, you will need an app called Trebedit. Let me circle the Trebedit so that you see how it looks like. This is Trebedit app, and this app here is a coding app used by most programmers and web developers. So let's open the Trebedit app. Okay, this is the Trebedit app. When you open it, it will take you to the home page of the app. Like the background, the first page that you see is the home page of the app. So what you do is to click on this menu here. When you click on this menu, you bring out list of options. Then you click on get source code. When you click on get source code, it says here type in a URL and type on the go button to get the source code used for a website. Once completed, you can view it right away or save it as a new project. So what we'll do is to enter the URL, that's the website name of any website at all that you want to clone. So let's take, for instance, let's get the source code of Facebook. Let's go by typing https. This is hypertext transfer protocol. You say www.facebook.com. After typing your URL, you type on this button here, this go button here. You type on go. As you can see, it's now fetching the source code of Facebook. You wait for a while. It's done. This is just the source code with which Facebook was built with. So to view this code completely, what you have to do is open in editor. When you click on open in editor, you save the file first. You have to save the file so that you can be able to view the source code. So you enter the name that you want to use and save it. And mind you, when saving it, it has to be with, after saving it, it has to end with .html because that's the extension of the file. So you type facebook.html. This is it. You click on save. It's saying file already exists because I've used this name. Let's use Facebook too. Let's save it. It's going to open now. Just wait a minute. This is the source code. This is the source code of Facebook, the Facebook that I visit every day, and I'm going to shock you. This is just the code. So when you click on this play button here at the top, you now see what I'm talking about. Let's click on this play button here. Just wait for a minute. Here we are. This is exactly the login page of Facebook, the Facebook that I visit every day. When you want to visit Facebook for the first time, this is where it will take you to. This is the login page of Facebook. This is just how to get the source code of any website. With this, now you can build a login page that looks exactly like Facebook. You can use it to clone any website at all, any web page at all that you want to use. And this video will be so useful to anybody at all that really wants to master all these tricks. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. See you in my next video.